I would really love to get music on this stream, but I also don't totally know what's allowed and what isn't. But yeah, what we're building here is a Unity game that is using Llama CPP, so local AI models. Okay, nicely. Can we now abstract? Okay, so now we're going to, geez Louise, the model's crazy fast. I mean, so I am using a shadow PC, so it does, like it's server side. So I'm streaming my Windows from my Mac using Shadow PC, and that is, I mean, it's just so quick. Um, I also think that Cursor works faster sometimes, depending on the load that it has. If it's a certain time of the day, sometimes it's faster or slower. Um, okay. So that's the thing about working with Unity and Cursor is that I'm finding that it takes a lot of like you write the script and then you have to go in and do what the script tells you to do. There's a lot of back and forth. Um, okay. So create a UI element, attach inventory UI. I mean, I'm not totally sure. It's just crazy. It's like uh, the game object for the UI. Yeah, and I'll make these Unity setup guides for me to go through. A little baby. Okay. So I have to add inventory manager to this, I guess. Oh, wait. I need to make an empty one. That, like that. What? I don't know if that's right. I mean, health medicine. I mean, just the fact that you have to wait so long, I wonder how you can make this a better UI where you hide the inference because since we're doing local, it just takes so long. Like, just asking it, what do I have? Do I have a sword and my health potion? It takes like a minute. Um, so we gotta see. All right. Oh, so it's actually not picking it up. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Create an inventory panel. I was wrong. Now we add text to the inventory. Nice. Oh, interesting. So it's getting picked up in the panel, but it's not getting picked up in the inference. Particular. So it works in the text, but it does seem that there might be an issue. Ooh. With this like neon green. Eh, blue. With the inference picking up the inventory. Wish there was an easier debug. Also, just takes a little while for the inference to go off. In your inventory, you have a health. Oh, it did work. Cool. Geez Louise. It's going off the rails. Great. Great, so this is pretty much working now. Can we upgrade the prompt so it works better with this interface? We should be effectively looking at the game mechanism, not Ukraine. I don't know, some I pulled this from a script to get llama CPP to work, and it had some prompt already put in there. Here we go. So let's see. We're going to modify this prompt to be a bit better. You're Bob, helpful game assistant. Respond if you're part of the game world. Players can think through problems and use their inventory strategically. Example conversation user, I'm stuck in a dark cave. Bob, it sounds like you're in a tricky situation. I notice you have a torch in your inventory. Be perfect. Cool. Okay, let's try this again. It's compiling. Name this to inference. On panel. Like, I wonder if you could potentially get these prompts, like, instead of having to, text and write into it, just just have some pre-defined prompts that are like optimized to be really fast. I think that would be pretty cool because then you could just hit a button. I mean, it's really like an awkward gameplay to wait like 5, 10 seconds. I mean, I don't know. This is like 15 seconds for inference at least. So weird. Can we? So right now, it's not always clear if it's picking up the inventory in the prompt. Um, so let's add it. It's not always if the inventory is properly loaded into the inference. So we're adding a little bit of logging to just make sure that we are getting our inventory properly set. So we have a sword and health potion. It's kind of funny. I wonder. Okay, let's see. What is in my inventory? And you get a prompt. I wonder if it loads after it finishes. So initialize with mock data. Let's just do a sanity check here and make sure we have everything properly connected. Inventory manager, inventory panel, manager, inventory manager. I can't believe it just blows me off. It literally is like, ain't no one got time for that. Did this properly compile? Refresh. Oh, oh, there we go. Oh, interesting. So it does. Full message sent to LLM. Hello. Actually, it does have the old system prompt in here. Is there a reload button? have to re hook up all these. Submit. Okay, let's try this out one more time. What is in my inventory? I wonder how this works when you're actually playing a game. Like, how much does this actually cost? Um, you know, seems like a lot of compute is going on here. I mean, this is a much bigger prompt, so it seems to be taking a little bit longer. I mean, it just seems like it takes so much time to inference with these, like, uh, what? That's not what I have. That's tough. Yeah, I mean, how do you get this to be so optimized? Oh, interesting. So there is actually an error. Huh. Hmm. Hard. Okay, so seeming like it's not totally being loaded in correctly. What is in my inventory? Grab a snippet and feed that into cursor. It's seeming like it's not totally grabbing the data in the inference, even though it's showing in the UI. Is that in? Let's like review it ourselves. There's a chance that this script isn't being updated correctly. It's just funny that the presets are let's see. What is in my inventory? Might just make a button that's just like inventory check. Yeah, it's still just getting here. Let's just reload it. Refresh. Weird. Maybe if I uncheck this? Hmm.